Be uncomfortable for some years to become comfortable for the rest of your life. Once you realize your value, you will be greatly surprised at what you used to settle for. Being confident is good, but being humble makes you even better. The way you speak to yourself matters the most. Being alone gives us an opportunity to reconnect with ourselves. Everyone has a friend during each stage of life, but only lucky ones have the same friend in all stages of life. Accept what you can't change and change what you can't accept. If you can't do great things, do small things in a great way. The best revenge is massive success. If you genuinely want something great, don't wait for it. Work hard to get it. Never go to the past, not for happiness, not for justification, not for excuses. They were putting you last when you were putting them first, remember that. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. You'll never achieve real success unless you like what you're doing. Bad habits are like a comfortable bed, easy to get into but hard to get out of. Just trust your gut feeling, sometimes it can save you from big troubles. See yourself not as the person you are, but as the person you are becoming. Some days we fight, some days we cry, but what really matters is we are always there for each other. If a person is constantly ignoring you, it's because they are probably not interested in talking to you. Be kind to people without allowing them to take advantage of your good behavior. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.